Welcome students, BSc second semester 4, paper number 7, inorganic chemistry, topic chelation. Here today we will discuss about distinction between metal chelate and metal complex. Now in metal chelate is the association of metal atom or ion by forming heterocyclic ring with polydentate ligands, that is formation of a ring only with polydentate ligand or ligands. And in metal complex may be defined as the association of metal atom or ion only with monodentate ligands. So here metal chelate forming ligands are only polydentate, and here only monodentate ligands are formed with the help of monodentate ligands in a metal complex. Now second, approaching ligands always polydentate. In metal chelate, approaching ligands are only polydentate, and here in a metal complex approaching ligands are only unidentate, that is single dentate, called as unidentate. Now in metal chelate, next difference is it is formed when suitable polydentate ligands, that is chelating agents, are treated with suitable metal atom or ion under specific conditions. And here metal complex, it is formed when suitable unidentate ligands, complexing agent, that is completing agents, are treated with suitable metal atom or ion under specific conditions. Now next difference between metal chelate and metal complex. So in metal chelate, the nature of chemical bonds are essentially either coordinate or covalent or both. So in metal chelate, the bonds which are observed in metal chelates are coordinate or covalent or both type. But in metal complex, the nature of chemical bonds are essentially only coordinate. Okay. Now next, here in metal chelate, the formation of heterocyclic ring is essential. For example, chelation, so metal M plus 2X, it gives X, and here centrally metal and number 1X, 2, 3 and 4, and total structure is metal chelate. Here metal chelate. Now in metal complex, here the ring system is absent. For example, complex formation, so here metal plus 4X, it gives centrally metal and single X, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and total is metal. The structure is metal complex. Okay. Next, another difference between metal chelate and metal complex is, for example, that is another example is nickel plus twice DMG. It gives a single complex, and here in this complex, in this chelate, centrally nickel, and here DMG that is attached like this. Okay, and total structure is NiDMG. And here another example between metal complex is nickel plus 4Cn minus, it gives NiCN4 2 minus like this. Okay, here. So next example, in metal chelate, copper plus 2 ethylene diamine. So here structure centrally copper, and here ethylene diamine, and total charge on this metal chelate is 2 plus. And here in metal complex, copper plus 4 ammonia, that is NH3, it gives centrally copper and number 1, 2, 3 and 4 ammonia, and total charge on this complex is 2 plus. Okay, now next, difference in metal chelate. So metal chelate has highly stability, that is more stable is metal chelate. And here in metal complex, it has relatively low stability. Okay, metal complex. Now next, the charge in metal chelate, the charge on the metal ion is relatively large with suitable size, and here the charge on the metal ion is relatively low with suitable size in metal complex. Now next, even in solution they dissociate negligibly. In metal chelate, even in solution they dissociate negligibly, and in metal complex relatively they dissociate more in solution. So last difference, in metal chelate, they may or may not have a regular shape. Okay, so metal chelate may have not a regular shape, and in metal complex they have generally a regular shape. Okay, thank you.